The countdown is on. You're almost there, and the last thing you want is to show up at the hospital unprepared. Trust me, packing your hospital bag ahead of time can make labor and delivery so much smoother. It's like remembering to bring your passport to the airport. You don't want to get to that gate and realize, oh no, my little one's passport is back home on the coffee table. We're going for smooth sailing here, people. Hey mama, welcome back to Pregnancy Unveiled, where we make your pregnancy journey fun, informative, and stress-free. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate hospital bag checklist. Everything you need for you, your baby, and even your partner. Plus, some pro tips to keep your hospital stay comfortable and stress-free. We're talking about turning that hospital room into your own little haven. Okay, maybe not little. Those rooms aren't exactly spacious, but we're going to make it as comfy as we can. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more pregnancy tips, and check out pregnancyunveiled.com for blogs and extra resources. We've got articles on everything from baby names, yes, even the really unique ones, to the best pregnancy snacks. Because, let's be honest, you're probably hungry right now. All right, let's talk fashion. Okay, maybe fashion is a strong word for what you'll be rocking at the hospital. But trust me, comfort is queen when you're bringing a tiny human into the world. We're talking about a loose-fitting nightgown or some super comfy, hospital-friendly PJs. And don't forget a robe. You'll want something cozy to throw on when you're walking the halls. You know, getting those steps in between contractions. And speaking of walking, let's not forget about our feet. Pack some soft socks or slippers because, believe me, those hospital floors are not kind to bare feet. And finally, you'll need a going-home outfit. Now, I'm not talking about a ball gown here, but something comfortable and easy to move in. Remember, you'll still have that adorable little baby bump, even after the baby arrives. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget a nursing bra or tank top if you're planning on breastfeeding. Trust me, your girls will thank you. Next up, let's talk about keeping it fresh. We're talking about your very own spa-in-a-bag, hospital edition. Now, we're not talking about mud masks and cucumbers on the eyes here, but the essentials to keep you feeling human after labor. First up, travel-size toiletries are your best friend. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, you know the drill. And don't forget a hair tie or two because let's be real, labor is basically an extreme workout. Now, for those extra touches that make all the difference. Lip balm, because hospital air is drier than a popcorn fart, and some gentle face wipes and moisturizer. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Okay, mamas, let's get real for a minute. Labor and delivery are beautiful, miraculous, and messy. That's why we're talking about postpartum recovery essentials, the things that will make those first few days after delivery a little bit smoother. First up, maxi pads or adult diapers. I know, not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, you'll want to be prepared for some serious bleeding. And while we're on the subject of undergarments, mesh underwear is a lifesaver. They're breathable, comfortable, and you won't feel bad about tossing them out after a few wears. Now let's talk about the Peri bottle. This little squirt bottle is about to become your new best friend. It's the gentlest way to clean yourself after using the bathroom, and trust me, you'll want to avoid any harsh wiping down there. And finally, if you're planning on breastfeeding, nipple cream and nursing pads are your new BFFs. Nipple cream helps soothe and heal any soreness, while nursing pads protect your clothes from leaks. Chapter 4. Baby Clothes. Dressing your little peanut. Alright, let's talk about the star of the show, your little peanut. Packing for your baby is basically the cutest thing ever. Tiny socks? Adorable onesies? I can't even handle it. First things first, you'll need plenty of onesies and sleepers. Newborns are basically poop and spit-up machines, so it's best to be prepared for multiple outfit changes a day. And don't forget mittens. Those tiny fingernails are surprisingly sharp, and you'll want to protect your little one's delicate skin. Of course, no baby wardrobe is complete without a cute going-home outfit. This is the outfit you'll show off to the world in those first precious photos, so make it a good one. Chapter 5. Diapers and wipes, the essentials. Let's be real, folks. Babies are adorable, but they're also tiny poop machines. That's why we're talking about diapers and wipes, the unsung heroes of parenthood. You'll want to pack at least 5 to 10 newborn diapers in your hospital bag. You never know how long you'll be there, and you don't want to run out. And while you're at it, grab a pack of baby wipes. Trust me, you'll be using these for everything from diaper changes to wiping little faces. And don't forget the diaper cream. A little bit of diaper cream goes a long way in preventing diaper rash. Chapter 6. Swaddle Blankets and Burp Cloths, the Comfort Duo. Swaddling is like magic for newborns. It helps them feel safe and secure, like they're back in the womb. Pack a few soft swaddle blankets in your hospital bag so you can give your little one that cozy, snug feeling. And then there are burp cloths. These little squares of fabric are about to become your new best friend. They're perfect for catching spit up, drool, and other baby fluids. Whether you're planning on breastfeeding or formula feeding, there are a few feeding essentials you'll want to pack in your hospital bag. If you're breastfeeding, a breast pump and milk storage bags are a must. You can pump in the hospital to relieve engorgement and build up a stash of milk for when you go home. And if you're formula feeding, pack a few bottles and some formula. The hospital will likely have some on hand, but it's always good to have your own just in case. Labor is a marathon, not a sprint. You're going to need all the energy you can get. Pack a reusable water bottle and some snacks to keep you hydrated and fueled up during labor. Good snack options include granola bars, crackers, fruit, and nuts. Avoid anything too sugary or greasy, as it might upset your stomach. You're going to want to document every precious moment of your baby's arrival, so make sure your phone is fully charged. Pack an extra long charging cable so you can easily reach an outlet from your hospital bed. Hospitals are notorious for their dry air. Pack a good lip balm and lotion to keep your skin hydrated. Labor can be stressful, so it's important to create a calm and relaxing environment for yourself. Pack a pair of earbuds and create a playlist of your favorite calming music. Here are a few final tips to make your hospital stay even easier. Pack a small bag for your partner. They'll need a few essentials too, like toiletries, snacks, and a change of clothes. Use packing cubes or Ziploc bags to keep your bag organized. This will make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Communicate with your loved ones. Let them know what you need and when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And there you have it, your ultimate hospital bag checklist. I hope this video helps you feel prepared and confident for labor and delivery. Remember, every birth is different, and you've got this, mama. You are strong, you are capable, and you are going to rock this. Like and subscribe for more pregnancy tips, and check out pregnancyunveiled.com for more resources. We've got everything from best items to buy for this amazing journey to blogs and more information. Don't forget to check the links below to see some of my favorite items that had helped me. Because let's be honest, getting back in those pre-baby jeans is a marathon, not a sprint. Drop a comment below. What's the #1 item you won't forget to pack? See you in the next video.